Ukraine's drone surveillance has both improved and expanded multiple times since the start of the conflict, often scouting out hiding systems near the front line to be used on call, as seen with this BM-21 Grad system fairly poorly hidden. As the system can be preloaded for quicker response time, it becomes much more vulnerable if getting targeted. As a GMLRS rocket hits, the loaded rockets on the Grad system detonates immediately, causing a huge explosion as the Grad system is absolutely obliterated, basically disappearing from existence, leaving one less for tomorrow. That's all I had for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.